Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and a good deal with these ratings. You are going to love the 2018 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.